Hello friends, welcome to a new video. In this video I'm gonna show how to crop video footage in Premiere Pro. Here's a video clip in my timeline. We will add an effect in this clip to crop. Click this icon and click on effect and search for crop. This is the effect. Drag this to the video footage. Now go to the effect control panel. Crop the video from left and crop from right side. Crop from top and then crop from bottom. And now we can see this video clip has been cropped. How to remove the black around the footage as a result of cropping? Click on this zoom so black around will be removed. This is how we can crop video footage in Adobe Premiere Pro. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe this channel. See you in the next video. Thanks for staying with 5 Minute Solution.